Hi there, welcome back to another interesting video you are watching, and if we take, and I'm Tasin here again with the latest update of PixelOS for Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. This is my Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, currently running on Android 16 QPR1 update. As you can see, these are the major changes they have brought in the QPR1 update, and also they have added the blur effect. As you see, if I turn off the dark theme, you can see it clearly. And one major changes they have brought, like if I go to the play integrity check, you can see now my device passed the strong integrity without any key boxes. Like I did not use any key box yet, but my device still meets the strong integrity. And here you can also adjust the tiles that you could not do in the Android 16 update that they had provided earlier. If we go to the settings, we can see and say systems Android 16 with the latest security patch of November 1 2025, and banking apps are working fine here, and also the Gcam is working perfectly and all camera modes are working. And not only that, they have also, like, I just don't know what happened to these functions. Before we can see the messages of WhatsApp here in the widget section, but now it has only showing the countdown of the notification. And if we go to the settings, after that wallpaper, here we can see various options they have included, like clock style, you can change it as you want, also color and size. Like all the functions of QPR1 is now available in our Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Also ambient display is working fine. Like if I place the phone here and lift it up, now you can see ambient display is working perfectly. And that's all about the latest update of QPR1 Android 16. And thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button.